So hi and welcome back. It's just going to be a quick video this morning. I haven't scripted it or anything, so straight off the hoof. I had a message this week from two subscribers, the first one being William, all in relation to the new update on the DJI Fly App 1.21.4. Now, they both concern voice control of the Neo since the updates come in. The first one from William says that since the updates come in, he hasn't been able to get the voice control to work on the DJI Neo 2. So I thought this morning I'll test that out. The second one is from a chap called Norman, and with him he's not having any voice recording when he's flying in any of the automatic modes. He's only getting it when he's coming in via the manual mode. So again, I'll try that out and see if I get the same results on the DJI Neo 2 as those do. A few people have also reported when they're using the app that they haven't been able to get the new two flight modes onto the phone. But I've generally found that if you do uninstall the app and then reinstall it and clear the cache, that tends to work. Although somebody did write to me and say that they had a problem which they put down to having an older iPhone, and that may have been an issue. So that could be a problem. Again, you may need to sort of look just to make sure that your device, whether your Android or iPhone, will work properly with that update. There have been a few things on the internet as well with other creators talking about the update with other drones, issues with the DJI Mini 5 Pro. I haven't tried those, and from the videos I've seen, there hasn't really been much of a difference. Just little things like photo lag. But the ones with the voice control, I think, are a bit more important, because obviously people do use those for flying the drones when they're just using the app. So anyway, as I said, that's basically what the video is going to be about today. Really short one, just to see how it goes. If you get any similar problems, obviously let me know. And as always, if you could do the like, subscribe and the notification bell, that would be greatly appreciated too. So I'm going to go into the DJI Fly App, go to settings, scroll down to more settings, go to control, voice settings. So you can see that I have got it set up to app wake up. I've also checked on the settings as well to make sure that I've got the microphone enabled on my phone, and again, that's working fine. So it should work, because it said the wake up word is hey fly. So let's put it to use. Hey fly. Hey fly. Hey fly. And nothing. Okay, and before anybody says that I haven't got the button selected on the right hand side, I'll select that as well. So that's on. And again, hey fly. Hey fly. Hey fly. And nothing coming up with that. And now I'm trying to switch that off, and I'm pressing the button, and you can see that it's not switching off either. So there's definitely something wrong with the voice commands. So that's the first bit. As you can see, like William, I haven't been able to get the voice commands to work on the DJI Neo 2 either. I have checked the settings. I got the microphone activated. I went through everything I could see. It's all set up correctly, but there's no there's no hey fly coming onto the drone itself. So as I said, the next bit's going to be testing whether or not it's recording via the automated flight modes, and see if that works. So I'll do it in manual mode as well, and see where that goes. So you can see on the screen now that I've got it in manual mode, even though I haven't taken off, and the microphone is detecting my voice, as you can see by the little green line. So let's try it. Hey fly. Hey fly. Hey fly. And nothing. So let's try put it in the air.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
So I'll do it in manual mode as well, and see where that goes. So you can see on the screen now that I've got it in manual mode, even though I haven't taken off, and the microphone is detecting my voice, as you can see by the little green line. So let's try it. Hey fly. hey fly, and nothing. So let's try put it in the air.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Hey fly, and again nothing. Let's try it with a command. Hey fly, follow. So I've got it in spotlight mode now, and I'm doing the record, and everything seems to be fine. So that's one thing that is definitely working on the new 1.2 1.4. Okay, and this is 2 meter circle, and that seems to be working okay as well. So this is in follow mode, and again there's no issues with any of the voice record. So I know the quality's not great, but I am doing it just via my phone. So yeah, doesn't seem to be any issues with voice record on either the spotlight mode, the hover mode, the circle mode, or any other modes that I have tried. Okay, and as you can see with that one, I didn't have any issues. The voice recording did work with the phone and the DJI Neo 2, and it worked in the 3 modes that I tested, or sorry, the 4 modes which I tested, which was hover, orbit, follow and manual, and there was no issues. So I don't know whether or not that's just going to be local to you, Norman. I don't know. What the reason is, again, I don't know, but obviously there are a few glitches with the 1.2 1.4 Fly app. I'm guessing DJI are aware and they are updating the software, because I've seen that on other forums as well. Okay, so that's the end of the video. If you did happen to find it useful, let me know in the comments below. If you're having similar problems with relation to the voice commands for the hey fly and hover and take off and all that, also let me know in the comments below. If, like Norman, you're having issues with the recording, also let me know. Just because it worked for me doesn't mean it's working for everybody, because obviously it doesn't work for Norman. So that would be nice to know as well, and perhaps we can just see exactly how widespread the problem is. And I'll catch you again in the next video, and thanks very much for watching. Bye.